In recent years, tiny house living has become a popular alternative to expensive home ownership. A house that costs as little as $50,000 can provide you with a comfortable place to live for an extended period of time. For those who do not want to be tied down by mortgage payments and maintenance fees, there's nothing more sensible than a tiny house. Nestron Cube has done just that. Nestron provides innovative ways to live with less by designing mobile living spaces that are both beautiful, modern, and practical for big and small budgets alike. The company creates beautiful tiny houses made out of shipping containers, and these houses can be built in just one day. These homes are perfect for people who love the idea of living simply and want to save money. Nestron Cube's small size and state-of-the-art technology make this a worthwhile investment for those looking to live a more sustainable life. It is not just a simple tiny house, but also a smart home. All the houses are equipped with basic smart functions like digital lock, hue-changing lights, smart music player, and electric blinds. Housing assistants such as smart mirror, smart toilet, motion-sensing light system are available on request. Let's explore 3 of their popular tiny house designs. Cube One is the cheapest model, which starts at $34,000 and has an area of 156 square feet. The next model, Cube Two, starts at $59,000. It is bigger than the Cube One at 280 square feet. Its newest, most expensive, and largest model is Cube X, which starts at $120,000 with an area of 377 square feet. The Nestron Cube X is a step toward the next generation of modular living, straight out of the smart, sustainable suburbs of an extraterrestrial future. It features more space and big-time vistas out of wide windows and skylights than other Nestron Cubes. A picturesque slice of alpine, coastal, rural, or cosmic terrain is all this ultra-modern small home requires to support sophisticated yet simple living. There's no need to buy any tiny furnishings because these tiny dwellings come completely furnished, including appliances. The dwellings are shipped to wherever your off-the-grid desires take you, making living the tiny lifestyle nearly foolproof. Despite the lack of a foundation, which, according to Nestron, helps to decrease environmental disturbance, they're reinforced against earthquakes and typhoons at advanced levels. It comes fully furnished with fine decor and skylight. Living room comes with a dining table and sofa. Bedroom is furnished with a built-in bed rack, wardrobe, and bar counter. Kitchen comes with a range hood and sink. Bathroom has a shower, towel rack, basin, and toilet. It is equipped with all the appliances. Options include a solar system, electric heater, smart toilet, and smart mirror. Apart from reducing your environmental effect by living tiny, you'll be pleased to learn that the home's materials are formaldehyde, pollution, and emission-free, and that 90% of the components are recyclable. Nestron is committed to the same ideals that drew many individuals to the tiny house market in the first place: a desire to live in a smaller, more energy-efficient space without the weight of a large monthly mortgage payment. After all, in terms of your bottom line, living small might mean huge freedom. Although Nestron also creates 360-square-foot premium models under its Legend line, the new type is around the same size as rival Boxable's prefabricated homes, which received a lot of attention this year when SpaceX founder Elon Musk moved into one of them at a SpaceX property in Boca Chica, Texas. Both companies claim that their homes can be delivered and assembled in a single day. Have you been enjoying the features so far? Then you should take a look at the Cube's layout options. The Cube X is available in a 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom layout. Each one has a living room, a kitchen, a dining space, and a bathroom. Each room also has a couch bed. Since we originally looked at Nestron's Cube series in January 2020, the single-room C1 shelter pod has come a long way. Nestron, based in Singapore, extends the C2X by 4.3 feet over the two, giving it a 32.8-foot width. The depth increases by 4 inches to 11.5 feet, but the height remains constant at 10.2 feet. The extra width is instantly visible and complements the floor-to-ceiling window, double entrance doors, and long landscape-style picture window. Large goods may be moved in and out more easily thanks to the wider doorway. Large windows in the bedroom and living room add to the sleek, contemporary style. Compressed wood and stainless steel are used to create the furnishings. The one kitchen bedroom is designed to fit a double-door refrigerator and a washing machine. Solar power systems and composting toilets are also available to customers. For starters, this tiny house is completely furnished and ready to move into when you arrive. Second, it includes a built-in artificial intelligence assistant. The house design is spacious enough to accommodate families of 3 or 4 people with 263 square feet. A Nestron Prefab mini home makes up for its lack of outright residential size with smart home convenience. Digital locks, electric blinds, motion-sensing lights, and a digital music player come standard with the C2X, while Nestron's option sheet adds many more smart features. Smart mirrors, wall-mounted tablets, smart kitchen equipment, a smart toilet, automatic sliding doors, and even smart furniture and structural elements are examples of potential add-ons. Residents can use the smart facilities on their own or use a platform like Google Home or Amazon Alexa to connect them. Nestron operates and expands on a few key concepts. They aspire to build housing that is both inexpensive and environmentally friendly, while also looking and feeling modern. They are also proud of their engineering abilities. Because of the insulation they utilize, their prefab homes may be used in a variety of conditions, from hot to cold to everything in between. Meanwhile, the tiny houses are composed of materials that are both fireproof and earthquake resistant. This means that, no matter where you opt to put your new Cube 2, you should be protected. A fully integrated AI assistant is included in every Nestron smart home. Most features can be controlled with your voice, and the best part is that the AI learns your habits over time. With an isolation system in the walls, fitted doors, and double-tempered glass to provide protection and soundproofing from the outside world, Nestron's tiny homes are suited for any climate, whether a humid beach or a chilly mountain is in your plans. If you live in a region prone to natural disasters, the C2X's absence of a home foundation is a concern, but Nestron claims it designed the insulated, galvanized steel-framed construction with earthquakes, hurricanes, and typhoons in mind. Customers that want or need something more might get bespoke fortification solutions. When it comes to Nestron's eco-friendly promises, the company claims that 90% of the materials used to construct its homes are recyclable at the end of the Cube's existence. With a 50-year structural warranty, Nestron does not expect cubes to end up in a landfill anytime soon. Off-grid alternatives, such as solar or battery power systems and composting toilets, are available from Nestron to further support sustainable living. The Cube 2X is available from Nestron in 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans, with a bedroom, a neat-in kitchen with sink and small eating area, a dry bathroom with shower, toilet, sink, and water heater, a living room with sofa, and an entryway. Throughout the house, there are storage cabinets, closets, and shelves. In-floor heating, an induction stove, a single or double-door refrigerator, a projection entertainment system, and a washing machine are all available choices. A mechanical or electrical closet at the back of the house organizes functional equipment and components in a single out-of-the-way position. Nestron delivers homes all around the world as a single complete unit with built-in furnishings and equipment. They're also supposed to be ultra-high-tech, with a voice-activated AI assistant named Canny controlling house functions and appliances. Over time, Canny learns its humans' preferences. There are a variety of models available for customization and pre-order on Nestron's website, so there's nothing stopping you from taking the plunge and living in a tiny house. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out this next video too. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. See you again in another video. Until then, bye.